Born on the racetrack, Baer Brakes thrives on innovation, performance, and safety. But they're not stopping there. Today, Baer Brakes is expanding beyond the track to a wider range of customers and vehicles who demand top-notch braking solutions. They're on a mission to redefine stopping in style. Baer has reintroduced the original Baer Claw system with the Classic Series. The Classic Series provides a modern brake system that fits smaller wheels without breaking the bank. They offer direct bolt-on front and rear kits for early Ford, GM, and Mopar classic car applications. The Classic Series front kit features an aluminum 2-piston pad-guided caliper with a powder-coated finish and a black Baer logo mounted on an 11-inch or 13-inch one-piece rotor, which has a built-in hub which is slotted, drilled, and zinc-plated. The 11-inch kit is a great package for small wheels, while the 13-inch kit is an affordable big brake kit for 17-inch plus diameter wheels. All bearings, races, and seals are included. The rear kit features a powder-coated single-piston caliper with a built-in parking brake mounted to either a 10.5 or 11.65-inch one-piece slotted, drilled, and zinc-plated rotor. Kits include brackets, braided brake hoses, and mounting hardware. The calipers use OE pads, making replacement pads easily accessible. Whether you're cruising a Chevy Camaro, Ford Mustang, Chevy C10, or any sweet resto mod, Baer Brakes Classic Series has got you covered. Safety and top-notch performance packaged in one complete solution for your Classic. Hit the road and unleash the power of your ride. Learn more at Baer.com.